Is your third Gen Tacoma key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. Extreme temperatures can drain them faster. If that doesn't work, try the Relearn procedure to resynchronize the fob with your Tacoma's ECU. Insert the key, turn to the on position without starting the engine, remove and repeat this 5 to 10 times. Then press any button on the fob. If still not working, you may have a software glitch in the vehicle's immobilizer system, which might need reprogramming at the dealership. A voluntary recall, campaign number 25V456, announced in June 2025, addresses this, offering free reprogramming at dealerships. If the problem persists, it could be the antenna. The key fob receiver antenna is usually behind the dashboard or near the rearview mirror. Check for corrosion or loose connections using a multimeter. Resistance should be less than 1 ohm. Moisture is a common cause, so consider sealing the antenna with dielectric grease. Also check to see if any aftermarket accessories like LED lights are causing interference. As a preventative measure, annual antenna inspections are a good idea. Be aware of the growing trend toward digital keys, which could be an alternative solution. Consider using Toyota's MyT app, which may provide a solution. Stay up to date on recalls and diagnostics. AI-driven OBD2 scanners can predict key fob failures 80% of the time.